Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tenoning tool or a monkey tool. Now, continuing on with my theme of air riveting and air tooling, things of that nature, stuff that you can use in conjunction, I am showing you how to take and make a monkey tool. Now this monkey tool is to be able to set tenons or shoulders on tenons like what you see here. Now you'd be able to set tenons up like this very easily and be able to drive this tool, essentially, if you will. You'll be able to drive this tool up on a piece of bar stock to give yourself a square, flatter tenoning surface. Now monkey tools are just a simple hole drilled in the end of the bar. So there's not much I'm going to go over with this other than the fact that you want this to be as flat as you can and alleviate the edges just slightly on the part that's going to be working against the hot material. Other than that, keep things short. Most tenons are about 1 inch long or so. So you want to take, and will never be over really 1 inch long. So when you drill your hole, you're just going to drill down to about 1 inch deep. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing drilled and then get back to it. So the other end will be cut off like this. We'll cut this off and drill an appropriate size hole. This just happens to be a 29/64 inch hole, and that's what you need to take and drill on the other end in order for these air tools, or this particular brand and manufacturer, to fit in there. At the end of this video, I'll do a little quick showing of how this tool actually works on a tenon. Thanks for watching.